Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in. This ensures you see the same interface and privacy options. Once done, use the search bar or your friends list to locate the person quickly, because accuracy avoids adding the wrong profile. Make sure you tap their profile to open it. This gives you access to the Friends menu where the favorite option lives. If you can't find them, check spelling or mutual friends to confirm you're selecting the right account before proceeding. Now, on their profile, tap the Friends button to open the contextual menu. This is where Facebook groups contacts. From that menu, choose Edit Friend Lists or the Favorites/Close Friends option depending on your app version, because naming varies across platforms. When you select Close Friends or Favorites, you're telling Facebook to prioritize their posts and notifications. Once selected, Facebook will adjust feeds and alerts. Make sure to review notification settings if you want instant updates versus occasional highlights. Finish by verifying that the change took effect. Go to Newsfeed Preferences and confirm they appear in Favorites or Close Friends. You should also check notification settings so you receive the level of alerts you prefer. Otherwise, you might miss or be overwhelmed by updates. If something goes wrong, first refresh the app and log out, then back in to force sync. If the profile still won't update, the person may have privacy restrictions, or you might be using an older.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.